everyone, my name is Shay and welcome to Deciphering Crypto. Today we're diving into the Cryptoautos Protocol and its native token autos. Stick around as we uncover what this project is all about, its standout features, future roadmap, and everything you need to know if you're considering investing in autos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth crypto reviews. Okay, let's talk about the concept and purpose of autos. Cryptoautos is designed to revolutionize the automotive industry by integrating blockchain technology into vehicle ownership and potentially so much more. Their mission is to streamline processes, increase transparency, and reduce fraud in the automotive ecosystem. Think of it as the intersection of blockchain and real-world car utility. Okay, let's talk about the top 3 features of the Cryptoautos Protocol. Number 1, purchase of luxury vehicles with cryptocurrency, and really it's any vehicle. They really like pushing the luxury vehicles. So bear in mind, Cryptoautos provides a platform where users can buy using various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, and many other cryptocurrencies also. This service streamlines the car buying process. Crypto to fiat conversion for dealership. Fiat off-ramp solutions to accept cryptocurrency payments seamlessly. The feature ensures that dealers receive payments in fiat currency, acceptance of digital assets in the automotive market. Number 3, extensive network of partner dealerships. Cryptoautos has established partnerships with over 1,500 dealerships to find and purchase vehicles that accept cryptocurrency payments. This extensive network enhances the platform. Let's talk about some of the upcoming features and roadmap. Looking ahead, Cryptoautos has some exciting developments planned for the next year. Real-world asset platform to go live. In the first quarter of this year, they aim to offer tokenized cars for investment. So collector cars, or even if you want to own a portion of a car, they are going to offer that in a tokenized format. AI Car Assist launching an AI assistant to help with purchases and other services in the industry. NFT-based vehicle titles, digitizing and tokenizing vehicle titles to simplify transfers. Global expansion and expanding their platform to Europe and Asia. Next, we have the user interface. The Cryptoautos app features an intuitive interface, making it accessible even for beginners. The interface could use some additional filters when hunting for cars such as location. I found it pretty inconvenient when I was looking through vehicles and I couldn't tell exactly where they were, or I would only maybe want to look for cars that were close to me that I would be able to easily go and pick up. Now granted, this could definitely vary if I was buying a $3 million Bugatti versus if I was buying a $10,000 Toyota. Probably wouldn't have a problem going to pick up, and the other one I probably would. Next, we have token utility. Autos isn't just a payment token. It powers the entire Cryptoautos ecosystem, including transaction, node sales, memberships, governance, and has the potential for so much more. And I'm talking about like insurance and maintenance programs. You think about the automotive industry as a whole and all of the different services that could be offered through a very broad ecosystem. Token holders can also stake autos for rewards and governance voting. Next, let's talk about Cryptoautos revenue streams. Cryptoautos generates revenue through transaction fees, commissions from sales, leases, partnerships with automotive brands, and quite a bit of potential here going forward into the future. Their token economy ensures sustainable growth while rewarding users. Next, we have security. Security is a top priority for Cryptoautos. They've implemented multi-layer encryption, smart contract audits, and used decentralized identity verification to protect user data. A recent audit by Smart State gave them a 9 out of 10. Okay, let's move on to support. Cryptoautos offers 24/7 customer support through email, live chat, and Telegram groups. Their community moderators on Telegram are highly active and responsive, and I was very happy with how they handled responses on Telegram. I did not get a response from the online chatbot. So they had an online chatbot. I asked a couple of questions and it had said someone will be with you shortly. I waited about an hour and a half, and nobody had responded. So that is pretty disappointing. The next category we have is reputation. Cryptoautos definitely has an above average reputation for a cryptocurrency protocol. They have over 400,000 followers on Twitter, 31,000 Telegram followers. They don't have a Discord that I was able to find, so there's no Discord followers. There's on-chain, there's over 7,200 token holders. The team is doxed, so it goes through the entire team. It shows who they are and their previous experience, and there is a lot of experience in this team, and so that is very promising. Gydra Capital is was the only VC or investor that I could find for the project. Partnerships include Tectum and over 1,500 car dealerships. So definitely a strong reputation, and I'm excited to see how they do going forward to even improve on that. All right, let's take a look at Cryptoautos Tokenomics. Here are the current tokenomics for autos, and the token did launch on December 11th, 2024. The total token supply is 1 billion. The current price is about 4 to 5 cents. I think it's about $16 million market cap. The fully diluted valuation is 45 to 50 million currently. As far as the token locks, approximately a little over 15% of the token supply has been released at the token generation event. 85% of the tokens are subject to various vesting schedules and lockup periods. So these other 85% are going to be launched for the community and for marketing and for different incentives that they are going to be utilizing over the next couple of years. Currently, the token is available to purchase on Uniswap on version 2 and version 3, and some central exchanges like Gate.io, KuCoin, and KCEX, which I heard about before, but it is available on that exchange as well. If you buy the token on Uniswap, there is no tax. Okay, let's talk about like maybe the prediction that I have for this token. I see a huge amount of potential. There's insurance and loans and leases and rentals, maintenance programs. If the protocol can be a great experience for the dealership and customers and provide a white glove service depending on the price level of car you're dealing with, I think it has a lot of potential. The automotive industry globally is a $4 trillion industry, and currently crypto is at $1 billion participation. So if crypto can capture 10% and Cryptoautos can be 10% of that, the revenue is approximately $40 billion gross, which is huge. That makes $50 to $100 million in revenue easily attainable. There is a bunch of ifs, but a conservative estimate is $100 to $200 million market cap, but $2 to $4 billion in the next 5 to 10 years is not too crazy at all. Well, that's our review of Cryptoautos and the Autos token. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe for more deep dives into the crypto world. Remember, this is not financial advice, so always do your own research. And hey, if you're looking to sponsor a crypto-focused channel, I'm available and I'd love to talk to you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Deciphering Crypto. Take care.